Different compression methods in 7-zip, which is best suited for what task? So there are different compression methods in 7-zip. Which method is best suited for what task? For example, one difference between ULSMA and ULSMA 2 is I can choose all my CPU cores, whereas in ULSMA 2 cores is the max.
Use ULSMA 2 unless you are looking to extract the archive on a system that cannot deal with ULSMA 2 archives. Generally speaking, most modern compression algorithms give roughly the same compression, and with regard to the number of cores that you can use at once, it is up to you to decide how many you want to use. Generally speaking, unless you are creating large archives, there is no reason to need more than one though. In addition, with multiple cores doing the compression, the bottleneck may become the hard drive.
.7-zip, at least as of September 27, 2019, has a built-in help document with a very nice explanation of the various settings you can choose and what, in general, each is good for. There's no benchmark results or anything, but it was enough information to instill some confidence in me that I was picking good enough and not accidentally awful settings. The help document is available through the 7-zip file manager as well as the Add to Archive dialog box. The contents path to the page I found useful, which opens up directly from the Add to Archive dialog box, is Here is a rough copy/paste of the compression method section. Method description. ULSMA? Its base compression method for 7Z format. Even old versions of 7-zip can decompress archives created with ULSMA method. It provides high compression ratio and very fast decompression. ULSMA 2. Default compression method of 7Z format. ULSMA 2 is ULSMA-based compression method. It provides better multi-threading support than ULSMA. But compression ratio can be worse in some cases. For best compression ratio with ULSMA 2, use 1 or 2 CPU threads. If you use ULSMA 2 with more than 2 threads, 7-zip splits data to chunks and compresses these chunks independently, 2 threads per each chunk. PPMD. Dmitry Shchurin's PPMDH algorithm with small changes. Usually it provides high compression ratio and high speed for text files. Zip 2. Standard compression method based on BWT algorithm. Usually it provides high speed and pretty good compression ratio for text files. Deflate. Standard compression method of zip and xzip formats. Compression ratio is not too high, but it provides pretty fast compressing and decompressing. Deflate method supports only 32 kilobits dictionary. Deflate 64. Modified version of deflate algorithm with bigger dictionary, 64 kilobits.
ULSMA 2 is faster when using 4 or more cores and it gives better compression. This document explains it all.
Take a look here, this URL, and sort by efficiency. I personally wish FreeArc was built into 7-zip, and use it sometimes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.